Go.
Okay, so what we're doing is replacing the bushings on the upper control arms. We've replaced the bushings on the lower control arms, but I wanted to demonstrate how to do it. I've done this a couple of times now, and there's a couple of different ways of doing it. I found the best way to be as follows. I'll show you the issues that need to be addressed, which makes it a challenge. We're working on a Clayton long arm suspension. So, as you can see on this side, there's no lip. On this side, there is a lip. You can see it right here. And so it's directional. It's one way. It comes out only this way. It inserts this way, stops at this lip, so you have to take it out that way. Also, the reason why is there's a little machined lip on the inside which prevents it from going any further this way. So what we have to do is remove this lip so that we can put it on the press. So what I'm going to do is, with a chisel and hammer, I'm going to bend this lip out. So I'll demonstrate that now. And it's just take a hammer, bend it out, so the reason why is so that we can get a hacksaw in there and cut this lip completely off so that we can put the press plates on this lip right here and then press it out this way. So what we need to do is, as seen here, when we cut this lip off, we'll end up with this exposed part that we can put the press plates on and then press the bushing out this way. Okay, so we're going to end the video here. I'm going to continue to chisel this out, and then our next section will be me actually cutting the lip off. I'll show you how I do that, and then we'll put it on the press and press it out. As shown in the earlier video, what we did is we took a chisel and a hammer and we hammered this lip out so that we could saw it off. So that, because again, as mentioned, this is a directional bushing and it comes out this way. Let me show you on a smaller one what it actually looks like. I'll be right back. So this is what the bushing looks like. This lip right here is this lip here. And there's a lip right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but this bushing is directional. It inserts this way in like that, and it can only go that far because there's a machined lip inside the housing that it butts up against, and also it will only go this far. So in order to get this out, this bushing out, it has to come out this way. So what I've discovered is if I cut this lip off like this, then I can put this housing on the press plates and push it out this way. Otherwise, there's no room to push it out. On the front control arms, this is flat, whereas this is the upper control arms for the rear, and as you can see, it's not flat. It's beveled or angled. So anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate cutting this lip off, and then we'll stop the video. We'll get it set up on the press, and you can watch it being pressed out. So again, this is what this is what the bushing looks like before it's pressed out. All right, so let me demonstrate cutting this off. And this is battery operated hacksaw, and I don't know if you really can't see it, but I'm going to put on my 70s safety glasses. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to have to take the blade off and straighten it. That may happen a couple of times. The smoke that you see is the heat generated from the blade cutting into the rubber and burning it a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and end the video because I think you get the idea of what needs to be done. As I get closer, I'll show you the final cut and how this lip will just fall off. As shown, this is a sample of what the bushing looks like. This little lip is this lip here. In order to get this bushing out, it has to be extracted this way. This one here, you might wonder why this one still has the lip on it, and that is because it came out of a different housing or housing, which there was enough material to where I didn't have to remove the this lip. This is what the other one, the same bushing looks like with the lip removed, and this is a demonstration of that other lip that's machined on the inside. So it again has to be removed this way only, this way. So I'm going to show you this lip right there. It just comes off after we hacksawed the lip off. So what I'm going to do now with my side cutters is clip away this rubber which has been cut so that I can put the this little lip right here. It's not much, but it's enough. This little lip right here on the press plates so that this bushing can be pushed out this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this off, set it up on the press, and show you how it presses out. Okay, so basically, again, what we're doing is on the underside, this lip right here is what we need to put these blocks on so that this bushing can go past these blocks. So it takes a little bit of setting up. This block right here is perfect size to push this lip out. And so we place it like that and then like that. And if I set this up right, we should be able to press this bad fella out with minimal problem. Let's see if I set it up right. And I think we got it. I do think we got it. All right, let's... You'll hear a pop because initially it doesn't want to move. It's been in there for a long time. But in this case, it's not popping. So look at that. All right, this one is easy. They don't always come out this easy. Dang, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh man. Oh, by the way, I do have an assistant, and because this needs to be held up by another person, otherwise be like really next to impossible. But this is coming out really nice, and there we go. Bada boom, bada bing. There we are. See? That's what that looks like extracted. Installation of the new bushing. So what I do is take some assembly lube and put a little film on the inside so that it slides in easy. As you can see, this is that lip that I was talking about. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it right there? That little lip. So this is one size, and then this is smaller so that it only wants to go on one way. The original. The new one looks like this. It's a different material. It's poly. This bushing slides out, which we will leave out for the installation. But there's no lip, except for there is a little bevel right here that I utilize in helping it to go in and get past that. So, as noted, I use a little assembly lube, just a little bit, not much, just to make it slide on there a little easier. And I use a little on the bushing, just to get it started. All right, so get this baby lubed up a little bit. All right, now, again, the bevel, the larger side goes in first, and wipe my hands clean here. And then I use a mallet just to encourage it to get it started. All right, so now we're up against that little lip, and it's going in straight. Nice. So we're going to go over and put it on the press and push it in, okay? Are we videoing?
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Okay, so as you can see, let me shine a light on it. So this lip is what we want to push down. This is higher. So we're going to put a socket over it like that. That'll catch the outside lip. And now we just press it down. Okay, can you press it, push it up just a little bit? Perfect. Right, like that. Let's see if there we can. All right, going down there, nice. Just press that bad fella in there. All right, we're going to reset this just a little bit. get that right. There, like that. There. So I'm going to feel on the back side. There, this is nice. All right. So it's all right, perfect. All right, there we go. All right, installed. So as you can see, installed nicely. There's a little bit of a lip right there, but what we can do is actually hammer that down just a little bit. Let's try pressing it down just a little bit more. And see if we can get that. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, sometimes you have to repick or reset and to get it just right, but that is flush around there, and on this side is flush right there. That is a perfect installation. Then we'll put the bushing back in here. Let me show you that. Sometimes it'll go in a little tough. Here's the bushing. So we, bada boom, bada bing, there we are. Ready to install back on the vehicle. Cool. All right, there we go.